So NoteGPT. First time I use it, first time I test it, and here's my honest review to you if you're considering investing in AI tool. So they market it itself as all-in-one AI tool for learning and productivity platform. So instead you opening maybe separate applications for maybe video, photo, audio, PDF, presentation, text, chat, all this available under this website. According to them, there's so many millions of users who are using these platforms. But all these numbers doesn't matter to me. What matters to me is what is your benefit of this tool. There's actually, after browse this website, there's so many AI tools on this website. If I talk about it one by one, it's gonna take me a long time. So I'm gonna focus on two tools here, the YouTube video summarizer and the AI podcast generators. So simply, YouTube video summarizer is very basic. You have a video, you wanna watch it, you want to understand it, you want to have the tips from it, you have to need the notes, maybe you want to have the text, whatever you want from that video, but you don't have the time to watch the full video. Maybe you have 90 minutes video. Once you paste the link, immediately give you key ideas, important points, timestamps, notes, transcripts, contents. You can even have a chat, you can have a presentation, you can have even the audio and all that. Even if you are just a creator, you want to understand the competition, the competitor, and the niche, what you are actually working on. You see what's new, what's trending, paste in the link for these videos and understand what changed, what's something you can use without going through each video and watch it fully and wasting your time. Be careful here because based on the link you're giving, you're getting the results. If you're giving the good quality source and you give you a good quality, if it's messy or poor quality, and you're gonna get the same way. So the meaning of this is great for overview, not for deep understanding. But I believe there is a potential for this to grow and become even more advanced in future. Let's talk about the AI podcast generator. Now you are the person who does not have the time even to read the summary. Does not have the time to read all these notes. It's gonna turn your even now the summary into audio, and this audio you can even have a control of this audio to have how many speakers on this audio, who's speaking, maybe males or females, and you have the tone, you have even what type, maybe education, interview. So based on that, you can go ahead and generate the podcast and listen to it.
Today's episode is all about practical steps to make your system run faster and cleaner. No complicated tech jargon, just what you need to know.
We'll cover automated cleanup tools, managing storage, handling...
While maybe you're at work, going to work, you go home, gym, or wherever you are. So the good thing is the AI voices are getting better and become more human now than before. But still, maybe you get surprised, but some voices sound a little bit AI. So don't feel always, not going to be always perfect. But surprisingly, the podcast sound very, very good. And of course, that's always depend on the source quality. If the quality of the source is bad, you're gonna have really bad or some awkward moment in the podcast. If you even go through the other tools, you have PDF summary, you have AI notes, you have transcriptions, you have writing tools, presentation, AI chat. Even AI chat, you can use Gemini, you can use DeepSeek, Claude, all these tools under the same website. You can even generate a voice. You can do your homework tools also there. So there's so many things, so many tools you can use under this website. Or some users think this is too many tools for one user. When am I gonna use it? That could be a problem for some. Even the B-rolls I generated for this video is from the same website. So of course you can use the free version of this with the of course limitation. You can try it yourself. If you decide to subscribe, of course use the link below in the description. So if you are somebody who watches a lot of videos, taking notes, looking for summaries, want to save time, these tools will be very good for you and very useful, huge time saver. But remember always, this is just a tool, not replacement for thinking. Try it yourself and let me know what you think in the comment. So don't forget to use the link in the description. And thank you always for watching and see you in the next one. Peace.